Let's have fun today.
It's going to be fun!
Little dots poke, poke, poke. What is this? What is this? Sweet, sour, strawberry. Roundy, roundy, dangle, dangle. What is this? What is this? Dangle, dangle, yummy grapes. Black stripes on the green. What is this? What is this? Roundy, roundy, watermelon. Bumpy, bumpy, yellow peels. What is this? What is this? Sour, sour, lemon. Let's eat the fruits together.
Wow! These grapes are yummy!
The watermelon is so yummy, too. I'm going to eat this. Oh, you can't. Oh, it's sour. Oh, man.
I will give you strawberries. Thank you very much. I will give you yummy grapes. Thank you very much. I will give you watermelons.
Thank you very much.
I will give you sour lemons.
Thank you very much.
Oh, I don't have any more.
We will give you.
Thank you very much. Today, we're going to make fruit juice.
Wow! I like it!
It's going to be yummy.
Will you help us make fruit juice? There are strawberries, grapes, watermelons, and lemons. We're going to make fruit juice with these. Let's make strawberry juice first. Will you put in some strawberries? Here go the strawberries. Here go the strawberries. Here go the strawberries. Here go the strawberries. Thanks for helping. We finished making the strawberry juice. Let's make grape juice now. Will you put in some grapes? Here go the grapes. Thank you. We finished making the grape juice. Let's make watermelon juice now. Will you put in some watermelons? Here are the watermelons. Here are the watermelons. Here are the watermelons. Thank you for putting them in. We finished making the watermelon juice. Let's make lemon juice now. Will you put in some lemons? Here we go! Lemons! Here we go! Lemons! Here we go! Lemons! Thanks! We finished making the lemon juice. Yay! We finished making the juices. I am going to drink the watermelon juice.
I want strawberry juice.
Lemon juice for me. I love sour lemons.
Thank you for helping us make the juices. This is for you. What do we say at times like this? Right. We have to say, thank you. Let's drink the yummy juices together.